KCN में आपका स्वागत है। मैं किंग हमीद।
I am Nasir Ahmed, Secretary Andalus Educational Society. Today we had a program of Tap in Genius in You conducted by Mr. Zafar Mahmood, the international skill orator, and you can say he is a demonstrator. For the last 10 days, the training is being done to 6th standard to 10th standard students to memorize and to grasp the memory, the techniques, the skills development for the last 10 days. So we are happy with the program and we are thankful to our friend Mr. Zafar Mahmood for conducting this program. We as Andalus, for every year, we would like to have a change in the education which helps the students, and we're bringing now the memory program for all the students. So as you have seen, the program is conducted and our students has demonstrated the skill and the memory which they have gained for the last 10 days, which will be very helpful for their future. So we are very thankful to them, and I'm thankful to all the staff and non-teaching staff for supporting this program. And I'm thankful to your KCN channel for coming up and accepting our invitation to go through the program on the social media. Thank you. I would like to thank all the parents for their support for all through the program, and we accept that these things will continue with the Andalus English School. Andalus School is conducting, Andalus School is on the 25th year of this year, and we will be celebrating more programs on this academic year. Thank you very much.
Really, when I entered the school, I really felt very happy. The discipline they have cultivated here in the school was excellent. So the first and the foremost thing in the student should be, they should adopt discipline. And the teachers and management, they have given him, they have enough knowledge about that. And the students are really working hard. So the trainer Zafar Mahmood, he has trained well, and hope this training may help them in the future. And if all the schools, like the management of Andalus has adopted this training, if they keep help, it will be really benefit for the students and for the entire school, everyone. Really that will bring good things, as well as the environment, the school, everything here. Really wonderful. I'm very happy to visit here. When I spoke to the management, they have involved themselves. Some of the managements, they'll just assign the work to the teacher. लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है. The management खुद अपने आप को involve करके teachers के साथ, बच्चों के साथ है. तो ऐसा है कि वो हर एक movement पर उनकी नज़र रहने की वजह से पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स को इससे बहुत बेनिफिट होता है. सो नहीं, बहुत एक ऐसी जगह है कि स्कूल हर एक आदमी को भी आने जाने की सहूलत हो चाहिए. स्कूल के बिल्डिंग, एनवायरनमेंट को, प्ले ग्राउंड, हर चीज़ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह यहाँ बहुत सारे फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल. Parents, they have taken a good decision by selecting this school. Hope their children are with the safe hands of the management and the school. They can build their future. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zafar Mahmood. I'm a professional memory trainer from Mysore. Alhamdulillah, I conduct a 2 weeks training program in Andalus English School, Udaigiri, Mysore. I had a very good, exciting journey here. Alhamdulillah, students learn one of the world's best memory techniques and its application. That is refers to study technique. How to show the book, enter textbook and recall in a very short time. How to write their own self notes. They learned formulas, equations, vocabulary, predictable. Okay. So in this world, there is nothing like a good or a bad memory here. Trained and untrained memory. Untrained memory means by heading and writing, it takes more time, less information goes in the mind. What our student they have learned, that is called a trained memory. In trained memory, less time, more information. Okay, so what the other students will learn in 6 hours, they can learn in 1 hour. They learn how to write fast, okay, how to listen, how to store and recall the information accurately. They learn photographic memory, etc., in the 2 weeks training program. This training will help the students not only today, tomorrow, throughout their educational career. I humbly request the parents, please see that your child should follow up what they have learned in this 2 weeks training program. You have to monitor, make sure that the child should not play any video games. Okay, if they play video games, the excessive use of the mobile phone or any electronic gadgets, they will create and their brain start producing negative thoughts. If you use electronic gadgets extensively, brain start will producing negative thoughts. When the brain start producing thoughts, drop in the concentration, and they don't feel like eating the food, and they don't have the quality of the sleep. इसके लिए बच्चों को आप मॉनिटर करना, मोबाइल इस्तेमाल में ये नहीं करो कि इस्तेमाल मत कीजिएगा, दीजिएगा. You let them use it for the right purpose, not for the wrong purpose. हमें छोटे बच्चों से लेके बड़े को दे डाल दी. बच्चा छोटा रोता रहा तो मोबाइल में बिठा दे, खेल बड़ा बड़ा बोल. हम खुद हमें वो बच्चों को बिगाड़ रहे हैं. देना मैं नहीं कहता नहीं, फॉर द राइट पर्पस के लिए, नॉट फॉर द रॉन्ग पर्पस के लिए. बच्चे माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे हैं आपके, बहुत स्मार्ट है, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. मैं बच्चों से गुजारिश करता हूँ, बच्चों इस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में आप जो भी सीखे हैं पुट इनटू प्रैक्टिस. आप अपने वालिदैन का नाम ऊपर करें, आपकी स्कूल का नाम और खुद का नाम और हमारी कंट्री का नाम. इंशाल्लाह मुझे अल्लाह से उम्मीद है कमिंग एनुअल एग्जाम्स में आप ये टेक्निक फॉलो करते हुए अच्छे से अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे. देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट फॉर सक्सेस. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस. थैंक यू. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Manganese.
Correct. Okay. 26.
What is manganese? Iron. Iron.
Okay. I will tell the element. Please tell the atomic number. Copper.
Copper. Copper. 20. Copper. 29. 20.
Correct. Brilliant. Zirconium.
Zirconium. 40.
Brilliant. Good. Tin.
50. 50.
Symbol.
SN.
Very good.
CO.
Symbol. I will tell you the symbol.
Copper. Copper.
Element and atomic number.
Copper. 39.
Very good. Respected guest on the dais, dear parents, teachers, boys and girls. Well, let me give a short introduction of myself. My name is Zafar Mahmood. I'm from Mysore, here Udaigiri. I'm a professional memory trainer. I am in this field more than 2 decades. I have trained thousands of students in India and also in overseas, like in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai, Muscat, Bahrain, Kuwait, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Malaysia. Even I trained many professionals also, like doctors, engineers, managers, professors, lecturers, teachers, scientists.
Since they asked me to speak few words, I just wanted to express my feelings here. Really, when I entered the school, I felt really good to see the discipline with the students, teachers, and moreover, the management here. I am very grateful for them for inviting me to stand here in front of you. Mr. Trainer has trained you well, and you have given your result today. But I like to say a few words here. Though I am not a good speaker, I am not prepared to speak anything. What I feel to speak here, like an interaction, I wanted to tell you. As I saw you, you are now genius, you have memorized so many things, you can recall the dates up to 100 years, really very good. Suppose if you ask me, to be frank, I may not able to say because I have not trained. The very first word used by the mentor is, there are two types of brain, trained and untrained. At present he has trained you, but that it should not stop here for today after a few days. We are really lucky that we have born in this world, and that too as a human beings. Sir has showed you the way. He has shown you how to practice. Practice makes everyone perfect. Suppose if you don't practice and stop here, you may lose the track again. Whatever he has said you have to keep in mind, keep practicing. Inshallah, that is going to help you for a long way. With this, I like to tell you one small story. Like when I heard about practice, there was a student who was very, very dull. He was not able to study. His parents, all teachers has got fed up and they sent far to some hostel. He was trained there, but he was not able to do anything. Everyone got fed up and asked him, better you go back, do some work, help your parents.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely.
Without concentrating on what is happening.
Very good. Moving your finger.
Destiny,
Ariel messenger.
God's messenger.
One.
Event.
Showing disbelief.
Very good. Vanished.
Powerful बोलो जोर से louder louder.
Person holding highest power.
Expedition.
Journey or voyage with a particular aim.
Barbarian.
Primitive, coarse or cruel human being.
Moisture,
Endeavor.
make an effort,
Crafted.
united,
Strong.
packing,
Can take the parents are here, please come and join. Actually, these two are the highest points in all the students. Girls, please be seated. Girls, be seated.
66. Yes. Get closer, madam. Yes.
No.
No. Yes. Ready, madam. Madam.
We Angeles English School have reached to 25 years. Current selling points are 19,025. It is for 21,000 was the last target, and she has scored 19,025 points. Give a round of applause.
We have to review the first what is the reason of your success? What is the reason of your success? At previous one you got better top.
I request everyone to sit down, girls.
What आपने ऐसा क्या किया जो अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला को अपॉइंटमेंट किया? ऑडियंस को बोले
Practice made me friends and playing and the coach his motivation make me this. Thank you for making this. Yes, brother. And thank you for this opportunity, ma'am.
So guys, disappointed. आप अपने ड्यूटी को जाओ. आइए. Congratulations, madam. तो क्या बोला 600 बजे कंप्लीट करवा देगा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Congratulations to everyone, those who are also, those who didn't come also. Beta, what is the reason of your success? What is the आपने ऐसा क्या किया जो आपने इतना सारे बिल्स मिला, कप मिला, पॉइंट्स मिले? आपने क्या 2 हफ्ते में आपने क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन हुआ है बच्चे के बारे में? क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन चेंज किया?
इंटरेस्ट रखना हो बढ़िया और कंसंट्रेशन आई होप दिस इज माय बेस्ट बड़े अच्छे आगे टेस्ट करना
चेंजेस ऑब्जर्व करते हैं
मेमोरी पावर ज्यादा होती है
इसके अलावा एक्टिविटीज में क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं?
इंटरेस्ट बढ़िया इनका
You have to draw and you have to beat this 625 marks, right? Inshallah.
Yes.
So, your teacher and trainer has one more thing. One more very good thing. It's a very, very good cook. So now, yeah. Very, very good. Correct. Very, very good. He can compete at very high level. Okay. I used to call him in my room and said, whatever we want to cut, and we have to give him, and he will keep on doing all the things. And he will do it. Okay. And these are the things we have to develop.
Sir. Sir, ready, sir? Sir? Yes, with smile, sir, with smile.
It was small token of love from us, Musa, and let us in this school with grateful appreciation to Mr. Raghu Mahmood, International Memory Freedom, we, and let us in this school, management, staff and students are grateful to you for harnessing that the genius in you. Your efforts are truly appreciated. You made a difference everything. We thank you for your exceptional knowledge, skill and dedication. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Vinay Gowda, 10th P. Mohammad Umar Sifati, 9th P. Tanzil Rahman, 8th P. Kaunain Khan, 9th P. Mohammad Sufyan, 8th P. Sayyid Humayun, 8th P. Anu Muhammadi, 8th A. Nurul Huda, 8th A. Kuba Kamre, 9th A. Bibi Amina, 9th A. Thank you, ma'am. Now I like to Muhammad Aziz 8A, Umair Mani R 8A, Muhammad Sharif 9P, Ramya 10A, Fatima Noore 8A, Muhammad Muinuddin 9B, Muskan Taj 10A.